Today's lesson is negative fractions on the number line, and our goal is that we can correctly place rational numbers on a number line. Vocabulary. A rational number is any number that can be written as a fraction. These include integers because they can be written as fractions with 1 as the denominator. Examples are 2 is equal to 2 over 1, and negative 2 is negative 2 over 1. Example, place the following fractions on the number line. So pause this, draw this out, put these on the number line, and then come back to see them placed here on the number line. So, as you can see, I divided the number, as it says, into equal parts indicated by the denominator. So I divided it into 8 parts, and they're fairly equal. Don't have to be exact. We're not looking for perfection. And then I placed the fractions appropriately. So I've got 1/8, I've got 3/8, and I've got 7/8. All right, on to our next one. We're going to do the same idea, only we've got negatives here. So we're still dealing with eighths, so we're going to divide it by denominators. So we're going to divide it by eighths again and then place them. Again, I'm going to do this one, and then you're going to pause it and then come back and see it done. So come back in a minute. This one may have been a little bit more tricky, just because it's going backwards, because you're starting with 0 over here on the right, and you're working your way to the -1 on the left. So your -1/8 is going to be closest to the 0, the -7/8 is going to be closest to the -1. Okay, and again, just divided it the way I did the last time. All right, now, on your own, we're going to do this next page. So, start with one at a time. There we go. We'll start with that one. We'll again pause and come back. Okay, so hopefully you got something that looks about like that, because again, -1/3 is closer to 0 than -2/3. And here's our next one. Okay, so on this one, it might have helped some of you to think of -1/2 as -3/6 and -1/3 as -2/6. So if you put them to a common denominator, it helps you to see them for their value out of 6. So there we have them in order. Hopefully you got this. If you have questions, as always, bring them to class. I will bring them to me, and I will help you with them whenever we meet again. If you have any questions, I already said that. I hope you enjoyed our lesson, and I will see you next time.